নমস্কার, অর্পিতা রায় আবার চলে এসেছি আপনাদের সামনে উইথ মাই 32 নাম্বার এপিসোড। আজকে আমি এসেছি অল তসর, হ্যাঁ সব তসর নিয়ে এসেছি। মানে এই তো দেখতে দেখতে শীত চলে যাচ্ছে। আবার কলকাতা মানে জানুয়ারি এন্ড মানে তো প্রায় মানে শীত চলে যাওয়ার মুখে। তো এনিওয়ে দেখুন কেমন লাগে আপনাদের শাড়ি। Friends, today I am in front of you with my tassar, all wonderful tassars. I think you will like. So let me start with my sari number 1. Sari number 1, a vermilion red with off-white discharge paisley work. The pallu is designed geometrically. And the whole body has a wonderful paisley throughout the sari with a wonderful border, upper and lower border. খুব সুন্দর বর্ডারটা, একটু মাইনিউটলি ফলো করুন। বর্ডারের ডিজাইনটা এত সুন্দর, ইটস সো নাইস। ওকে, দিস ইজ সারি নাম্বার 1 and let me show you this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, this is sari number 1 and the price is 6,000. Friends, I am showing tassars of various ranges. Some are 6,000, some are 4,000. One piece I will show you 4,200. Some are in 7,400. Some are 5,500. So I think you can understand. According to the price, the quality of the sarees also vary. Okay, so don't get misguided. Now I am showing you sari number 2. This is price 7,400. This is a kosa tassar. Friends who will receive the sari, then you can understand why the price is so high. Okay, the sari which I am wearing, it is 8,800. This is a kosa tassar with hand shibori work. Okay, this is also kosa tassar, but it is a block printed sari with color with wonderful bicolor dye. This is a mehndi green color. Look at the sari, wonderful piece. This is the palla part and this is the whole sari. ভীষণ সুন্দর কালারটাই, ভীষণ সুন্দর শাড়িটার। দেখুন অফ হোয়াইট ডিসচার্জ করা হয়েছে with casuarina tree and this is the blouse piece. Blouse piece টা chocolate. Blouse piece is chocolate in color. This is sari number 2 and the price is 7,000. And the 7 is 7,400. Now I am moving to sari number 3. Green, ash and yellow combination sari. Spray work has been done with 3 colors, tricolor. 2 type of green, yellow, not tricolor, many more colors has been used. Ash color also has been used with white discharge with a wonderful border, upper and lower border. Okay, this is the palla part. This is the blouse piece of the sari, a wonderful green, fresh green, and this is the rest half of the sari. This is sari number 3 and the price is 6,000. This is sari number 3 and the price is 6,000. Now I am moving to sari number 4. Sari number 4 is price 7,400. This is sari number 4. This is the palla part. Orange and ochre yellow combination. First let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece and this is the palla part. Once again you see the palla part. The same design has been used in the blouse piece. Okay, and this is the rest half of the sari. A wonderful ochre yellow in color with having white discharge border. On the upper and lower border does the white discharge work. Okay, and this is the rest half. This is also priced 7,400. This was sari number 4. This is sari number 4 and the price is 7400. Now I am moving to sari number 5. খুব সুন্দর. This is the palla part, geometrically designed. And this is the whole sari with green and yellow border on both sides with wonderful floral motif inside. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, and this is the rest half. This is sari number 5 and the price is 6800. Okay, these tassels are all from West Bengal. This is Murshidabad Gachi by Gachi tassel. This is sari number 6. Look the presentation wonderfully. It is, the block is done, but you see, if you see very minutely, you can follow this is a block print. But if you just look it casually, if you look, it is resembling the ikat work. Weaving it is resembling the ikat work. Okay, but it is a block printed sari, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. Wonderful piece. And this is the rest half. This is sari number 6 and the price is 6800. These are all 6800 saris are all Bishnupur Gachi tassar. This is sari number 7 and the price is 7400. This is also Kosa tassar. I want to drape this sari on me. It's a wonderful sari. Price 7400. This is the palla part. This is not jet black. This is slate black. Okay. I just want to drape the sari on myself. I think it will look nice. This is the sari. Wonderful piece. খুব সুন্দর, ভীষণ একটা sophisticated aristocrat look আছে. দেখুন ভীষণ সুন্দর শাড়িটা. This was sari number 7 and the price was 7400. Now I am moving to sari number 8. Sari number 8 is priced 5500. দেখুন তসরের এক একটা শাড়ির এক রকম দাম আমি নিচ্ছি, তার মানে কোনো কারণ নিশ্চয়ই আছে। হ্যাঁ, ভাঁজটা দেখুন, কালার ডিসচার্জ খুব সুন্দর, স্প্রে গান স্প্রে দিয়ে করা হয়েছে কালারটাকে। This is the palla part. A yoke. This is the yoke portion. 2.5 meter, 2.5 meter has been designed in this way. Okay, and this is the rest half of the sari. And this is the blouse piece. Show me. Let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay. And the price is 5500. Sari number 9. This is also priced 5500. খুব সুন্দর শাড়ি, ভীষণ সুন্দর। দেখুন খুব খুব সুন্দর একটা ইয়েলো বর্ডার আছে দুদিকে, ওয়ান্ডারফুল ইয়েলো বর্ডার হ্যাজ বিন done on the upper and lower border. This is the palla part. First let me show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the saree. Okay, and this is the whole saree. Chocolate and dark brown has been used throughout the saree. This is saree number কত নম্বর শাড়ি জানো এটা? তো নিচের দিকে দেখ, 9, saree number 9, and the price is 5500. Now I am moving to saree number 10. This tassar is also from West Bengal, but it is Gopi Ballabpur tassar. This is a hand painted tassar, wonderful piece. Thanks to my artisan who has designed this saree so nicely. The pallu, you can, if you follow very minutely, this is resembling a saxophone. This is a pure hand painted saree. Look, this is the saxophone. I think I can make you understand. Saxophone. Okay, and this is the whole saree with a wonderful border on the upper and lower part, and this is the blouse piece of the saree. The price of this saree is 7800. Saree number 11. Oh, one batik came here. Today I was not willing to show you batik tassar. Anyway, one saree. Look, this is a tassar batik. The floral batik has been done on the pallu part. This is the whole body with geometrically designed. A wonderful piece with red and navy blue combination. And this is the blouse piece of the saree. This is the blouse piece and this is the palla part. Okay, and this is the rest half, and the price is 6800. The price is 6800. Okay. Now I am moving to saree number 12. This is also kosa tassar, geometrically designed, a wine color saree, geometrically designed. Friends, please subscribe my channel, share my channel to your friends, relatives and your beloved ones. It will do a big help to me, and subscribe it also. This is the blouse piece of the saree. This is price 7400. This is also a kosa tassar saree, and this is the rest half. This is saree number 12 and the price is 7400. The price is 7400. Okay. Now I am moving to saree number 13. Saree number 13. It is also tassar saree, hand painted tassar saree. This is the palla part. 2.5 meter has been designed in this way. This is the blouse piece of the saree with royal blue blouse piece, and the rest part, I mean the partly part, this is also royal blue in color. Okay, this is priced 4200. This is also tassar saree, hand painted tassar saree, priced 4200. Now I am moving to saree number 14. This is also kosa tassar saree. This is the whole saree. Wonderful color with dark brown, ochre yellow, all pastel colors, okay, ochre yellow, melted chocolate type color, faded blue, all these colors have been used. This is the palla part and this is the blouse piece. Blouse piece has a self texture, okay, and this is the rest half. This is sari number 14 and the price is 7400. A very dignified look will give this sari, a wonderful piece, and the price was 7400. Now I am moving to sari number 15. I think these prints are unusual. I think you will like, because these are not very common designs. You may not have seen these type of blocks which I have used. Very uncommon one. This is the palla part with chocolate brown in color with off-white discharge design, and this is the whole body, a pastel pink and brown combination. This is the blouse piece of the sari, chocolate color, dark chocolate color, and this is the rest half. This was sari number 15 and the price was 7400. These are all Kosa Tassar saris. Okay. Now I am moving to sari number 16. This is again the same sari before I have shown you, Bishnupur Gachi Toshor. A colorful sari. This is the palla part, geometrically designed, and this is the whole body. A golden yellow, dark pink, peach, green combination print has been done. This is the blouse piece of the sari. The price of this sari is 6800. This is the rest half of the sari. Now I am moving to sari number 17. Again I am showing you a Kosa Tassar sari. Price 7400. This is the palla part, dark magenta and the reddish rust combination. Different, the print is also different. The color combination is also, I think it's different. Okay, this is the blouse piece. Friends will like this sari. I will do a polish. Once again I'll polish it because it's a very fresh one. It just came and I am showing you the sari. It's feel looking crushed, but it is a very fresh piece. I will polish it and give it to you. Okay, this was sari number 17 and the price was 7400. Now I am moving to sari number 18. Sari number, this is also Kosa Tassar. No, sorry, this is not a Kosa Tassar. This is the Bishnupur Gachi Tassar. This is also priced 6800. Look, this is the palla part. देखो ऐसे पल्लूटा এইভাবে দেখুন, resembling a tree. Okay, and 2.5 meter has been painted. This is a hand painted sari. These a border also hand painted one. Okay, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari, and this is the rest half. One thing you notice, please notice it thoroughly. The sari has dual color. Lower part is melted chocolate color, and upper part is also darker shade, comparison to the lower part. Okay, it's a melted chocolate color. It is gradually, when you come upward, it is showing a little bit brownish color. Okay, this is the sari, wonderful piece. This was sari number 18 and the price was 6800. Sari number 19. This is also priced 6800. This is a sari. Look, this is a block printed sari. Resembling the ikkat, weaving ikkat. A fast look will resemble it is a ikkat sari, but no, it is a hand block printed sari. Wonderful piece. This is priced 6800. This is the blouse piece of the sari, having a self texture. The blouse piece and the border is having the same texture. Please follow it thoroughly, friends. Okay, and this is the rest half of the sari. This is sari number 19 and the price was 6800. This is also Bishnupur Gachi Toshor. Sari number 20. This is priced sari number 5400. Black and white combination. As usual, a very gorgeous combination, black and white, and my favorite combination too. Look at the presentation of the sari. Okay, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. I asked my cameraman to show the border, lower border of the blouse piece. The price is 5400. Now I am moving to sari number 21. This is priced 6000. This is the palla part. A diagonally designed sari with multi spray has been done throughout the sari with white discharge. This is the blouse piece, melted chocolate in color, and this is the rest half of the sari. This is sari number 21 and the price is 6000. Okay, now I am moving to sari number 22. This is a hand painted tassar sari. Acid hand paint, acid hand paint. Priced 6200. This is also diagonally hand painted sari. 6200. Wonderfully designed sari. Look at the painting. The quality of the painting, neat and clean. Wonderful color combination. This is a Firozi blue color. Okay, this is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, and this is the rest half. This is sari number 22 and the price is 6200. Now I am moving to sari number 23. This is a hand painted sari. I have shown you earlier one piece. This is a Gopi Ballabhpur Tassar. Oh, wonderful sari, wonderful piece. This is the palla part. Look, the house is also very nicely designed. They are not ups and downs. Okay, look, and this is the blouse piece of the sari. I will ask my cameraman to show the border of the blouse piece, which will be used in the arms. Okay, this is priced 7800. Oh, this is the rest half. Let me show you the rest half. Light slate in color. Friends, within Kolkata and near about Kolkata, please visit my shop. আমি আরো কালেকশন দেখাতে পারবো. I can show many more collections. If it is possible to visit my shop, please come. আসুন, শপে আসুন. This is saree number 24. এটা একটা ডায়াগোনালি ডিজাইন শাড়ি. এটা ইঙ্ক ব্লু, রয়্যাল ব্লু যেটা বলে. কি নিট অ্যান্ড ক্লিন ওয়ার্ক. এটা অ্যাসিড হ্যান্ড পেইন্ট. ওকে, দিস ইজ দ্য ব্লাউজ পিস of the saree. The price is 6200 and this is the rest half of the saree. Okay, this is the last saree I am showing you, saree number 25. This is also a very nice tassar. I mean kosa tassar. Look, batik has been done little different way. Pink, maroon, a little bit red has been used. Wonderfully designed, wonderful piece. This is priced 7800. This is a hand batik sari. This is the blouse piece and this is the whole one. The toshor blouse, if you wear this sari with a tassar blouse, it will look much more better. Okay, please let me drape in myself. No? এই যে শাড়ির প্রেজেন্টেশনটা এইভাবে আসবে. এটা কিন্তু হ্যান্ড বাটিক তাসার শাড়ি. ওকে, দ্য প্রাইস ইজ 7800. Friends, today I have shown you 25 wonderful tassar sarees. I think you have liked my sarees. যাদের ভালো লাগবে আমাকে স্ক্রিনশট পাঠান. বন্ধুরা, বারে বারে রিকোয়েস্ট থাকলে শপে আসুন, হাতে ফিল করে বুঝে কিনুন শাড়িটা. মাই শপ ইজ ইন সল্ট লেক, বিটুইন PNB Island and Hatko More, BA 41 Salt Lake Sector 1. It's very near to PNB Island. My contact number is 9748003083. So please wait for my next episode number 33.